with you. You're driving me crazy.
Hey YouTube, welcome back or welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, as you guys can see, I already put on my wig cap because this is going to be a wig slaying tutorial. So I did get this wig sent to me by a company called ReadyWig. This is what the packaging looks like. It is so pretty. And before I forget, I have a coupon code, so I'm going to leave it on the screen somewhere so you guys can get some money off, and I'm going to also leave it in the description box down below. And yeah, so right inside, you guys, they have a wig cap, and I got an orange. So the wig does come in like this hair net, and I got an orange wig, y'all. So we're gonna be going orange. And yeah, so I basically got this wig. It is a synthetic wig, and it is so affordable, you guys. The company also carries human hair as well, so you guys should check their website out. They have all sorts of hair types. They have coily, they actually have different colors. This is just the one I picked. See how luscious it looks on camera? It's so nice. Okay, so this is what we're going to be working with today. And then also inside, you guys, they did not come to play, you know. It comes with a card. It's basically a hair care card, so it's like how to take care of your hair. And then your thought it was finished, huh? They also come with a spray bottle, which is really nice and thoughtful. So yeah, all of this is what you get when you order this hair, you guys. So check their website out. So inside it comes with combs. So you have 3 combs, actually 4. So 3 at the top and 1 at the bottom. And yeah, so let me show you guys what this looks like when it's just on my head, and then I'll go into styling it. So I think you can change the style, so you can either go for a center or a side part. And I think I'm gonna wear this as a side part. Yeah, this is what the hairline looks like. I'm actually feeling it, but we do have a little bit of work to do so we can make this look as natural as possible. But just like right off the box, this is what it looks like. I'm gonna take this off and I'm gonna style it on my mannequin head just because it's easier for me. And I'm gonna be wearing this synthetic wig using the bald cap method. So I'm gonna show you guys also how to do that.
Feel me now, the thing that you want, thing I got it all, girl. You see me falling, fall from my sky, panties are dropping, throwing the top. She's a professional. I think, oh.
She my gypsy girl, she's something to myself. She wants to wind her. She be mad in my place, she looking at my eye order. He wants to wind her. She be moving so quick, you never see her coming. She wants to wind her. She and me heaven, now so me say.
You guys, this method is genius. Why the hell have I been sleeping on this? This thing just laid flat. Actually, there's a lot of lace here, so I'm gonna cut it to just sit well on my behind my ears.
See my gypsy girl, she's something to myself. She wants to wind her. She be mad in my place, she looking at my eye order. He wants to wind her. She be moving so quick, you never see her coming. She wants to see wonder. She and me heaven, now so me say. She wants a wonder. Bad man, na na na. Kiki, young buds, baby. Victims, kill.
It's hard to like use a comb on synthetic hair, so I recommend you use a brush instead. You guys can see. So this is the end of the video. If you guys liked it, be sure to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to check out ReadyWigs.com. I'm going to leave their link in the description box. Use my coupon code to get some money off. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye!
I know you don't be wanting no stories. I know you don't be wanting no lies. Then why you let the man do you phony? Girl, you should let me change up your life. See everywhere that you go, they stop and they stay. And all the other girls, them no feel compare. Your backside is so amazing.